how to add clickable link in Canva PDF. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you add clickable link in Canva PDF. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Canva with your account. Alright, so right now here is the PDF document. So to add a clickable link in this PDF, you'll have to just open any page, and from here you'll have to just add a text here. So for that you'll have to just tap on the text option just at the bottom. So tap on text. Alright, so simply add a text box, and from here I will give a simple link here like youtube.com. Alright, so after you're done this, you'll have to just drag the position, and from here you can drag this position on your document. So after you're done this, you'll be able to add a clickable link. So for that you'll have to just tap on the export icon just at the bottom right corner. Okay, so from here tap on download. Alright, so from this download section, make sure that you have selected this file type as an PDF. So from here you'll have to select the option PDF standards. So after you select the PDF standard, from here you'll have to just tap on the download option just at the bottom. So after you download that PDF on your device, you'll be able to see that clickable link on your PDF. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.